Automated screening is good at one thing: narrowing the universe. Out of thousands of possible matches, it shows you the few that might be worth your attention. And that's where the machine stops and where you start. Adjudication is the human decision. It's the part of the screening process that regulators care about more than any other. Did you look at the match? Did you have a reason for your decision? Can you produce that reason on demand? The queue lists every pending match across all the screenings you've run. 6 columns tell you what you need at a glance. The left panel, your screened individual. Name, date of birth, country, exactly what you submitted. Middle panel, the sanctions list record. Their name, their known aliases, date of birth ranges, the program designation, for example, Ukraine E013662. Now this is the truth on the government list. The right panel, why we flag this: which fields matched, similarity ratio, the version of the list at the time of the screening. Now, this is the panel that turns a black box hit into something you can defend to an examiner. Click Dismiss as False Positive, and you're presented with the Dismiss Match Select Reason dialog. This is where casual screening systems lose the audit war by letting you click Dismiss with no explanation. The VeriSanction won't let you do that. You have to pick one of 7 reasons. Pick the reason, in this case, common name, add a short explanation if it helps your future self, and submit. The decision is recorded, the individual's status flips to cleared, assuming there are no other pending hits. Now, confirming a match is more serious than dismissing one, and the UI treats it that way. You can't confirm without checking a freeze protocol acknowledgement. That checkbox is required by design. Confirming a match in VeriSanction doesn't freeze anything. The software doesn't have hands on your accounts. What it does is record that you, the named user, with a timestamp, acknowledged that you saw the hit and committed to your firm's freeze procedure. Funding decisions, suspicious activity report, or SAR filings and account holds happen in your operational systems. But the audit record of the moment you made the call lives here. Every adjudication decision, confirm or dismiss, is hashed with SHA 256, along with the hit ID, individual ID, sanctions list, match name, confidence score, decision, and timestamp. The hash goes into the audit log alongside the decision. If anyone alters the decision in the database later, the hash won't reproduce. That makes the record tamper-evident by design. So adjudication is where the machine hands off to you and where your judgment becomes auditable. Next up, we'll see how all of these decisions show up in your audit trail and how to export them for a regulator on 12 minutes notice.